Hello guys, welcome back to the developerschool.com. My name is Govind Kumar. I'm so happy to introduce you about new web series PHP Pro. In this web series, you will learn about why we have to choose PHP and also from to the beginning to the advanced level of the PHPS. So here we will start from the first video which name is why PHP. Okay, so guys, there are millions of people who are looking over the YouTube, over the Google for the fun thing is that like which is the best language for web development. In my manner, this one is the hardest part of the web development to be answered, like which one is the best language, because there is nothing like the best or worst, because every language have specific talent of that particular. So if you are just in Java, there is nothing like that. If you are in Python, there is nothing like that. If you are in PHP, there is nothing like that. It is all over you in which language you want to learn. But yeah, I can give you a great and simple one example for this, or a one hint for this. If you are new, if you want to learn from basic to the advanced level, if you have a lack of time, you can start from PHP, because this one is a simple language, easy language, you can learn easily. And after that, when you are just have a command over the coding as well, you are just get interest inside the coding, then you will start learning Java, Python and other languages as well, because those languages also require other things like data type and correction as well. Python is quite easy, but I found PHP quite easier than the Python as well. So I will suggest you the PHP, rest and all over you. Okay, so first of all, why we have to choose PHP? Because this one is the required to know, like because you are choosing your career inside the web development, so this one is required. So first of all, this language is very easy to learn. As I recently said you, like it was easy to learn. Why it is easy to learn? Because they have function for everything. Like if you want to find an element inside some array, there was in array function. If you want to merge an array, there was array merge function. For every one single need, they have the function. So PHP have the function for every single need. You don't have to learn loops. You don't have to run for loops or for each loops for the every single thing like while, do, while. PHP can do those things for without the loops as well, because for some of the user specific function, they like PHP has a particular function. Like you have to run PHP like for loops for each loops, but those are according to your needs. But like to do the specific one, you don't have to need those things, because this one is the easiest language. They have every function for the particular thing. Okay, second one is open source. What is the open source is mean? Because this language is open source means this is completely free. Free means like there was two things for the free. First of all, thing, if something is free, then that will like limited thing. Okay, but PHP is open source, not free. It is open source. Open source means it is completely free. Also, it have the great development team and have the if you know about like 80% of websites are using currently PHP, so you can assume that how much big community they have. So this one is even free, even after that having this much bigger community. So this one is the golden spoon thing inside the PHP to be get get to taking a part inside your web development career, because of open set and because of the big development community. Second, the third one is the web focused language. This language is the web focused. If you know about we are talking about the web development, not about the app development. You know what we are saying, web development. So if you are specific about the web development, this one is the best, because PHP is over focused over the web. Like you cannot run PHP inside the app. Okay, this is the I know that PHP have the versatile property. We will talk about this later, but this versatile property has meaning in the different ways. Okay, so but PHP is the web focus. So if you are learning about the web development, PHP will be the best choice for you. Third one is like large community and guidelines. What we mean by the large community guidelines, we have recently talked about like open source. Open source means free as well, but even I was told you right, they are also like they have the big community of developers. So like a very big community will provide you the latest version, latest specific things which is like required into the competitive market. Because of that, like every new like era, there was a new languages are introducing like back to back. So that time, if particular language have to be stand on over the market, then they have to release their like latest nodes to the users, to the developers, so that the particular thing will be in the market. So this one is the very great news for the PHP users, because the recently PHP has also introduced their newer version. In that they have changes in the classes and the functions as well. So that was the very important thing from the PHP which PHP has made recently. So if you are just new to PHP, you don't have to worry about like seasons are coming, seasons are gone, but PHP stays there from 1991 from to the this time, from to the every like significant from the era. Like PHP stands from there, from to the Java, from to the end of the versatility, from every specific way, PHP is still there. So like you don't have to be worried about your jobs and all. Whenever recession comes, PHP goes on pay. When like recession goes down, still PHP remain to the their particular way. And even you know about like 80% of websites are there, so like you will get the rework over there as well. So like don't have to worry about the your job as well. So that way PHP also important for you. Okay. Third one is the integration capabilities. Like PHP has the very good integration capabilities. Like PHP can be compatible with the MySQL, with the other database as well. You can use that with the other database. You can use with JavaScript, HTML, CS. So this was the very good thing with the PHP. Because of that, because of it integration compatibilities. Okay, the rapid development, because this will is the also important part. The rapid development. The PHP is going, as I recently said to you, like PHP has introduced the latest version earlier. Okay, so like this is the 8.3 which is PHP like recently launched, which is the 8.3. So from PHP from 1 to the PHP 8.3, this one is the like very big news to the other languages. Because of that, still PHP in the market, still PHP in the development, and still PHP wants to make it toward the very good inside the market. So that the way you can choose the PHP because of that, because it has the rapid development. That means PHP is not stops here. PHP is still inside the market and focusing over it to making the pro. So even we are just learning the PHP pro, and PHP also over the goal over to making himself pro. Okay. The next one is scalability. The PHP has the good scalability. That means PHP have the we will talk about as frameworks like Cake PHP. We will talk about the WordPress, about other languages, Laravel. Laravel, I can take the Laravel aside from this, because Laravel is the best framework. Laravel is the best framework. Not among the PHP. I found it the best framework as well. From my side, I have declared it the best framework because of the best things ever inside it. Like I can say even in the terms of security, even in the terms of development, even in the terms of speed, even in the terms of anything, even in the terms of SEO, in everything Laravel is the best. Okay, so take aside the Laravel, because I found out the PHP aside one way and the Laravel aside the one way. Because of that, Laravel is entire different from other among the frameworks of the PHP, because it is so easy. It is so quite powerful framework. Okay, and over having the like composer and other functionalities, artisan functionalities as well. Okay, so PHP has the very good scalability. If you want to make blogs inside the PHP, that means you can make it from the WordPress. Even WordPress is also used for making the tag giants like websites as well. So like scalability means you can make from very small to the very big websites as well. So like in today's market, like Facebook, Yahoo, and other big supportive communities are even using the PHP as well. Okay, the security features of the PHPs are very good. If you know about the PHP and you are just learning from PHP from one way to the another point while not making the loops, that then you will make the PHP is the very secure language as well. I know you will hear about the PHP like PHP is not secure, PHP is not secure, but this will come under the manner when you are just not working over the PHP while using its own method, while it's not taking the loopholes and other things as well. Like to making your code like easy, you are just taking some loopholes there, and just because of that, that's happening. So if you are not doing that means your PHP language is secure, even like Java as well. Okay. So last one is like cross-platform compatibility. PHP has the cross-platform compatibility. That means you can use it with the Linux, you can use with the command line and scripting language, you can use it with the Mac OS, Linux, and any other, and Windows as well. So these are all facts about the PHP which will help you to decide you like why you should have to PHP for your web development. In my terms of PHP, you will get the good salaries as earlier as you start. You will like around the 2 years to 3 years, you will be 8 to 6 lakh to the 10 lakhs package annually in the good companies. Even if you are going to the higher lab packages, that means you are just taking part inside the bigger companies as well. So like if you are making choosing a good language to making the web development career, that means you should have to choose PHP in my terms of manner. Anything about the PHP, you can directly ping us, and for more of us, be joined to us and be with us. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, share.